Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're making a delicious dal mash. Join us as we blend lentils and spices to create a comforting and flavorful dish. Let's dive into the simplicity and goodness of this classic recipe together. Wash and soak dal mash for 15 minutes. In hot oil add bay leaf, dry coriander, black peppercorns, cinnamon, cloves, whole red chilies, cumin, black cardamom, and sauté it for 20 seconds. Now add ginger garlic, green chili paste and sauté till it starts getting golden. Then add dal mash with its water along with salt, red chili, turmeric. Cook on medium heat till the lentil is done and all water is dried off. Serve and enjoy. Ingredients: dal, mash 250 grams, oil 80 grams, bay leaf 2 pieces, dry coriander, 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 tablespoon cinnamon stick, 1 piece, black cardamom, 1 piece, cloves, 2 piece, black peppercorns, 8 pieces, whole red chilies, 2 pieces, ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon, green chili paste, 1 tablespoon salt, to taste red chili powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon.
Thanks a bunch for indulging your taste buds with us. Until next time, stay hungry and keep savoring the goodness, and make sure to like and subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next video.